Introducing the car streaming media electronic Rearview mirror recorder kit, a specially designed accessory for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners, available on Aliexpress. This innovative kit goes beyond conventional rearview mirrors, offering a host of features to enhance safety, visibility, and overall driving experience. Let's delve into the key specifications that make this accessory a must-have for Tesla enthusiasts. This electronic rearview mirror is meticulously designed to seamlessly integrate with the unique styling and interior of Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, ensuring a perfect fit and enhanced aesthetics. Equipped with a standard camera installed on the vehicle's bottom, the kit provides real-time monitoring of the vehicle passing over deceleration strips in the road underneath, offering enhanced safety and awareness. Designed with an anti-glare lens, the electronic rearview mirror ensures safe driving by suppressing strong light, preventing glare from headlights and other light sources. Enjoy a greater and broader vision, even in challenging weather conditions such as rain and fog. The kit is designed to provide clear visibility, enhancing safety during adverse weather situations. Experience optimal vision with automatic light sensitivity and adjustable brightness. The mirror intelligently adapts to changing light conditions, providing anti-glare functionality and ensuring a clear view at all times. Immerse yourself in a fine and clear picture display with the 8.22-inch HD IPS display screen. Boasting a resolution of 1280-288, the screen enhances visibility and ensures a high-quality viewing experience. The kit features original car data cutting, ensuring a non-destructive installation process. Preserve the integrity of your Tesla Model 3Y while enjoying the benefits of advanced rearview mirror technology. The car streaming media electronic rearview mirror recorder kit from Aliexpress is a game-changer for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners, elevating their driving experience with advanced safety and visibility features. With its tailored design, real-time monitoring capabilities, anti-glare technology, and high-definition display, this kit is a must-have for those seeking innovation and enhanced safety in their Tesla vehicles. Upgrade your Tesla Model 3Y with this cutting-edge accessory and drive with confidence and clarity.